What's going on? Welcome back to Assassin Outdoors. It is currently 4:30 in the morning, and we're heading to get the boat and heading to the lake. And I'll catch you after we get the boat.
Start by bopping up that first little cannon.
Take you guys on a little tour of the setup here. You got a Okuma CV30D running out of Dipsy wire. Another Okuma CV30L running a fly on that line. Daiwa running spoons there. And on this side you got another Daiwa running a spoon. A cheap reel I ordered off a Wish that actually works pretty good. That's running a fly. And then up front here running, not sure if this camera will pick it up, but the inline planer board off to the outside.
Small king. I'm gonna have to come all the way. Up, so get kind of behind the driver's seat.
Yep. Nice. Two good ones. Long.
He said always give him that head of steam.
Oh, sorry, stepped in the net. Yes it does.
Try to get it back, you know what I mean?
You gotta go.
I'm trying, but I gotta go for it. Right?
Yeah, that's it. Unfortunately, I'm getting it. Yeah, it's not coming up. It is pretty good. There he is. Starting to come up. I'm almost clear of the line. Yeah, he went back down. There it is. It's close. It's a little bigger one.
Nice. Nice.
Nice one.
Little guy. Keep
Feisty.
feeling that far left hole.
Far left?
Yep.
free of it. Am I right in the line? Nope.
Yeah, I was just literally about to touch this hole, too.
All right. He's inside it. Oh, he jumped the fucking net.
I go around it. Whew, 300 feet of water again.
That's a king. Oh.
Back mouth. They like that green one. Got me on a picture.
Yep.
Caught this a little to your right on the wheel. Oh wait. I meant to take it.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. My last shot.
Perfect eater, dude. Perfect fucking eater.
Yeah,
That
maybe
bitch just go murking.
maybe we should dump them towards this. Well, then we dump them into the cannonball
Yeah,
line.
right, yeah, you want it right in the middle. You can't really over the middle.
Hey, we just broke our fucking record.
That's what I guessed, dude.
Yeah, we need autopilot. There's gotta be a lake here. It feels big. Yep. As soon as I saw a head shake, I saw wham wham. Yeah. You're just up to your clip on this side.
I want to know if that was on and just never popped or what.
I don't think so. I popped it and I felt it come off of the clip. And then I felt wham after it came off. So it came off and started to
We'll make a fun team to it.
Could be the biggest log you've ever seen pull off of the bottom. Probably have to get a measurement of this one. I actually 35 inches or 36 inches. You gotta scale
Gotta get
it.
it on the fucking boat first, bitch.
You gotta scale it.
You gotta get it in the boat first, bitch. This fucking line, we got problems. Got another mark just above a hundo. I see him coming in. He's up at 30 feet.
I see the flasher now.
This isn't a flasher, that's a fish.
Oh yeah. Very good job. There's nothing else.
Yeah, that's definitely
Oh, it looks big.
That's a tank.
Tank.
Oh, I told you to put on the specialty spoon, bitch.
Tank. Hey, I never filmed an outro, so well, here's an outro. Make sure you guys tune in for the next adventure on Assassin Outdoors. Who knows what we're going to be doing? Could be trolling, could be, who knows, could be anything. Make sure you like and subscribe and tune in for our next adventure. See ya!